Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs news. Gaston Sireno is amongst the players who will be out of contract at the end of the season. He's yet to be offered a new contract. So should we keep him or should we let him go at the end of the season? Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Mine is I think we should part ways with Gaston Sireno at the end of the season. He's going to live for free. I feel like his performances have been underwhelming this season. I feel like he's been inconsistent ever since he joined Kaizer Chiefs. He looked really good in his first 5 games last season, and then he picked up an injury, came back, and he was inconsistent. That's been his story. He comes in from the bench, plays well. The next game he starts, plays bad, gets injured. So that's been the story. He's been inconsistent. I also look at his age. He's turning 35 in Feb, so he's definitely old. He's definitely old. If we keep him for one more season, then we'll be keeping him until he's 36. So for me, we should be parting ways with him. So far this season, he has played 14 games, 10 times as a sub, and only 4 starts, 1 goal and 2 assists. So for me, I see him as a player who's I don't see him as a crucial player in this current squad. I don't think if we wake up tomorrow and news are Gaston Sireno is out for the remainder of the season, I don't think there's any Kaizer Chiefs fan that will be losing their sleep over him getting injured. That's how uninfluential he's been so far this season in this team. He's competing against Tutu Shabalala, who's been one of our best players. I think he's been our best attacking player so far this season. So it's difficult for him, to get more game time. But he does come in as a sub. 10 times he came in as a sub. So for me, he should be making use of those 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes he's getting. He can also play on the left. We now have Asanele Velebai, who's looking good. We have Pule Modi, also been poor. We have Claudie Lepo, has not been on his best. He hasn't been poor. He's been average. So I don't see any space for Gaston Sireno. Next season will be definitely making more signings. The players we sign may not be on his, caliber, ability wise. I feel like I think Gaston Sireno is one of, if not our most gifted player in the squad. Definitely, but in football, there's more than just being talented. And Gaston Sireno, also look at his age. He's not getting any younger. So age is going to catch up with him, and it doesn't seem like the players who work very hard and play until they are 40 or something. I don't see Gaston Sireno as that kind of player. So I feel like we should part ways with him at the end of the season. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Should we keep Gaston Sireno? Thanks for watching. I'm out.